Welcome to another WinSale training session. Today we're going to talk about purchase orders, creation, receival, and anything purchase order related. Um, Purchase orders in WinSale are super easy to do. We're going to go to under modules, purchase orders, and I'm going to show you the easy way. We're going to go to tools, quick scan utility. This utility allows you to create and receive at the same time, create purchase orders before they get received, and then if you created them separately from receiving, you can receive them at a later date. This utility also allows you to control with either auto numbering purchase orders, or if you uncheck this check mark, give it your own PO number of your own choosing. What makes this utility so easy is the path of least resistance. If we do an auto search, hit create and receive, the only thing you have to do when the shoes are in the store and delivered is to grab the data collector or a scanner. And if it's a data collector, you scan all the shoes at once and use the import file function and just receive them all at once. If you have a regular checkout scanner, then you grab a box, put your cursor here and scan one barcode at a time, and it will pre-fill. Now, I don't have a scanner or data collector with me, so I'm just going to give you a sample what it would look like, but I'll be typing in the item numbers, which is also another input option. So I'm going to use the 4415 David 120. It shows you the quantity on hand, or quantity received. It will automatically default to 1. You can change those defaults by just overriding it. Or if you notice that it's incorrect here, you come here and correct it to whatever you wanted to correct to. If you notice the cost is incorrect, you can also come here and update that. Same goes for the resale, right? This is meant as a quick little thing on the fly to update. Ideally, if you have cost and resale issues, you would want to update those prior to receival so that it reflects properly and you don't have to do it on a line by line basis. So right now we've received two David 12 sizes of style 4415. I'm going to throw in a couple of more items just to kind of beef up this report so it looks a little bit better. We're going to do B120, 04415 David 080. Okay, so we have total of 5 items. Everything looks good. You can have hundreds of items in here. But for now, for the purposes of this demo, everything looks good and I'm ready to receive. Now, this is creating and receiving items at the same time. So if I hit save and exit, this will confirm my desire to save and exit. I say yes. It goes through, it receives all the sizes we just did. It kind of flashes it in front of you. And then it's ready to print the purchase order selection. By default, it gives you a range of POs that you've done that day. So in our case, this is 4 POs that were done from PO number 6 to PO number 9. If I just want to reprint the last PO I've completed, then I just have to duplicate the number that says the end PO number up into the start PO number field. That will just give me one range. Your default settings should be print closed items, print all alphabetical order if you want to print it in alphabetical order. And we're going to go ahead and hit OK. And hit OK. That gives us the PO. It gives us the name of the vendor, the purchase order number, the order date, the vendor number in WinSale, and any information you have. So vendor information like their address, phone number, anything else you have. The style that was on order, the widths right here, D and B, and the size runs that were received with the appropriate quantities in the matrix format. So it breaks it down that I've received 2 David 12s, 1 B12, and so on and so forth until the total reaches 5 quantity of ordered with $1,150 cost and $2,180 retail value. You can go ahead and save this PDF. You can print this. You can email this, and that's it. It's those items are now officially part of your inventory, and you have a record of receiving them. That is how easy it is to do purchase orders through WinSale.